Hello and welcome to my new video. As you can see, we have a bit of a different camera angle, and that's because today we don't cover a specific tutorial topic about texturing or anything like that. In today's video, we are talking about 5 tips I want to give you when you want to start your 3D journey. And before I say any of these tips, a warm welcome to the 3D community. In my opinion, it's one of the coolest community out there, and we are a whole bunch of cool people from all over the planet, and we share the same passion, and it's cool to have you here as well. So let's start with tip number 1, and that's play around. Play around with everything. Watch some cool tutorials and rebuild what you can see there and play around as much as you can. No one is expecting you to start right from the beginning and make some crazy complex scenes and anything. Really just play around and enjoy that process of exploring new things. I know it can be a bit overwhelming at the beginning because there are a lot of technical things that play into account as well, and it's hard to understand everything right away, so just play around. That's tip number 1. So tip number 2 is be active in the community. Actually, as I said, we are a cool bunch of people and we are super collaborative, and be active in that community. You will make some new friends, you will make some good connections actually, and you will also get some good feedback on your work, which is really helpful. So be active in the community, share your work, share your progress. It doesn't matter if you just started, just share it and you will get some good feedback. And as I said, you will make some cool friends just by being active, and these friends can be maybe later down the road helpful for you. So be active in the cool community and be a part of it. Tip number 3 is start simple. 3D stuff can go extremely complex, and don't let you overwhelm by that. Start simple. Grab some simple objects you want to rebuild, or grab some simple steps you want to learn first. Just don't overdo it right away. Start simple and enjoy it. So tip number 4 is grab something you want to rebuild. This can be, for example, a concept art, or this can be from an animated movie if you are into this kind of style, some stylized Pixar movies, some stuff like that, and rebuild some scenes. It can also be something that is filmed outside and put some visual effects on top of it, or it can be some 3D advertising. It can be anything. Another cool tip is also when you have something cool on your table, for example, a Wacom tablet or a pen or something like that, and take a photo with your smartphone of that and try to recreate that photo in 3D, because then you have to do all the aspects of modeling, texturing, lighting, rendering, and compositing, and that's actually how you can learn a lot by doing these steps. And as I said before, share it in the community. You will get fantastic feedback on that, which will help to learn it even faster. Don't be shy. So tip number 5 is actually enjoy it. Enjoy your journey of learning 3D. It takes time to learn all the stuff, and as I said, it's maybe a bit overwhelming at the beginning because of a lot of technical stuff and lots of understanding that has to happen, and also your eye has to get trained to see details and understand things that are based on physical stuff. So just don't let you overwhelm by that. Enjoy the journey and enjoy exploring new things and enjoy create things. And that's actually my 5 tips. So again, welcome to the community. And if you have any specific questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm happy to help there out if I can. And yeah, I hope this was cool for you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.